Welcome to the Topic Series. My name is Roy Paulson. Today we're talking about the Milwaukee safety helmet and the different accessories that we have built to fit this new design helmet. So the safety helmets are wildly popular now. They are more compact, better impact, and they have an excellent multi-point chin strap to help retain the helmet on your head should there be an incident that requires it. The Milwaukee helmet does not have all these different types of face shields available until now, and here at Paulson we're creating these products. Specifically, these are arc flash face shields, 12 calorie and 20 calorie Toric arc flash face shields to fit this Milwaukee safety helmet. You'll notice that we have a Toric shield, which has one curve in this direction, another curve across this way. A built-in chin protector, it's not separate. It has a ventilation system in the front, we're calling it the front vent. And this front vent allows the passage of air that will wash the inside of the face shield, but does not allow the arc flash energy to come through the vent. This is all mounted onto our weight compensating bracket, and it's attached into the accessory slots of the Milwaukee helmet with our a special unit that allows press to release to easily remove it from the helmet or reattach it an unlimited number of times. You'll notice that the color is a gray color. That's because we're utilizing a nanoparticle formulation that we had developed to absorb the energy from the electrical arc flash. Yet, as you look through the shield, it appears very clear and you have excellent color recognition through the product. This Toric shield, as it's in the deployed position, you have a view that is as if you had no face shield on at all. So you have good downward view, peripheral side view, all around, and you don't get the sensation that you're even wearing a face shield. So we have the two positions. We call this the stowed position, and this would be the deployed position. When it's in the stowed position, the pivot assembly can be adjusted through these adjustable knobs so that you can make it so it's very easy to lower the shield by just nodding your head. We call it the welder's nod. Or you can tighten the pivots so that you can pull it down. In either case, the shield is retained at its stowed position with a detent. So it's up out of your way and you do not see the shield at all. It's out of your vision. We have an additional accessory, which is the flashlight and the articulated light mount that goes with it. This snaps onto the shield, and you can position the flashlight any place you want to have it. Just move it to it and let go. In, out, whatever you need to put the work or the light onto your work. And then if you're done with the flashlight and you want to get rid of it, it just comes off from the inside. As simple as that. All of the arc testing is done with flashlights, so we know that all of these parts are also able to endure the arc flash testing at 12 and 20 calories. For the Milwaukee helmet, we also make a full line of industrial face shields. These industrial Toric face shields are available in a variety of materials, colors, shades, and with different coatings. So starting off here, you can see the Milwaukee helmet. This is a polycarbonate clear face shield, and it can be accessorized. The shield itself can be ordered with or without the coatings. That would be a hard coating on the front and anti-fog coating on the inside. It can be ordered with or without the flashlight mounts, just in case you wanted to have that opportunity to mount a flashlight to the shield. And the way to view these face shields is to think of the work application. What am I trying to do at my work job? In the case of a clear polycarbonate shield, that would be usually a general purpose product that's used where there's potential for impact, dust, dirt, some splash. but not harsh chemicals. Or if you were in a case of where you needed to have a shade 5 green where you're dealing with gas cutting and welding. So pick out your face shield based on the type of application that you're utilizing. Then you will match it with the bracket assembly and the bracket assembly that's specifically for the Milwaukee helmet. So as I'm showing here, this is a clear polycarbonate face shield. It can be ordered coated or uncoated. It can be ordered with or without the flashlight attachments. Again, this is a shade 5 face shield for gas cutting and welding. Here we have a Triton face shield. It's a material that is extremely chemical resistant, and the Toric shield especially lends itself to applications of where there could be splash because it comes underneath the chin. And so the Triton face shield is extremely chemical resistant, gives good coverage, and is very clear. Here we have a cobalt blue face shield. The cobalt blue is a color with special additives in it so that it's also shade 5, and it absorbs the sodium line, which is emitted from the slag that's on the surface of steel. And so you're able to see the slag that's on the surface of steel, for example, when there's a ladle of molten steel. And here we have a nylon shield. This is an unusual product in the sense of that Paulson Manufacturing is probably the only company in the world that is supplying face shields for industrial use that are made from transparent nylon. This material is more heat resistant than polycarbonate and very chemical resistant. So there's a lot of advantages to this type of material. It's especially tuned to be able to be used in the paper and pulp industry, where they have the potential for splash from smelt, which is very corrosive and hot. So this is a unique material, a unique product, and provides excellent splash protection. Again, we have the articulated light mounts, and we have the flashlights that go with it that have been arc tested and are intrinsically safe. Now we're going to discuss the weight compensating bracket itself. We sell the weight compensating bracket for the Milwaukee helmet separately from the face shields. The reason for that is there's such a broad variety of face shields. And the weight compensating bracket is designed specifically for the Milwaukee safety helmet. Model WCB AMP MW. Features and benefits of this product start off with the lever lock attachment system. It's a very simplistic system that the shield mounts to the inside of the bracket and snaps into place here in the center, which we call the lever lock. We have the adjustable pivots on both sides, and there's a detent inside that pivot. So when the bracket is moved up into the stowed position, it has a detent that holds it in place. And then these are the helmet adapters that snap into the slots of the Milwaukee helmet. And we call this the press to release feature, so that it just pushes in and it snaps in securely. And to remove it, you just press in on this lever and push it up and it comes right out. So these are the features and benefits of the weight compensating bracket. You saw how it was mounted to the helmet and how it put the shield into a position that balanced on top of the helmet.